Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for your client appointments in real estate business. So I am an owner of a real estate business and I receive a lot of messages by my customers regarding client appointments on WhatsApp. And replying to each one of them individually and manually is very time consuming and hectic. So to solve this problem, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. How this bot works is that as now I've created this bot, automatically this bot is going to reply to my customer's message and is going to send them the booking link with the help of which they can book an appointment in my real estate agency. With that, it can also ask for the preferences regarding their property and also can send them the contact details like my email and my phone number to my customers. So now if you want to learn how to create this WhatsApp chatbot for yourself, for your business, then let me take you to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to build an interactive WhatsApp chatbot for scheduling property visits and handling real estate inquiries perfect for our real estate agency. Firstly, I'm going to show you the quick live demo of how this bot is actually going to work from the customer's point of view. So this is the bot that I've created, you can see right over here. And let's suppose towards this bot, I'm going to send a message over here as, hey, I need to book a property visit. Okay, so I'm going to send this message to this bot right here. As soon as I'm going to do that, you can see over here I've received the message, hello, welcome to Dream Nest Realty, your trusted partner in finding perfect property. To get started, please may I know your full name. So let's suppose for the full name over here, I'm going to write it as test user. Okay, I'm going to send this name to this bot. Thank you, test user. Could you share your email address? For the email address, I'm going to write it as test@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to send this email address to this bot. You're all set, test user. What would you like to do next? These are the three options and this is the card of this business you can see right over here. Okay, over here I want to book a property visit, so I'm going to select this option from here from the bot's message. I have received a message in which I've received book your visit. If I'm going to click on this link over here, I'm going to automatically forward it to the Calendly appointment booking link right over here with the help of which I can book a visit. Okay, so you can see I've received this link as a message. I'm going to click on this contact us button right here. As soon as I'm going to do that, you can see I have received the message with the email and the phone number of the company. If I'm going to go up and click on this button of set preferences, you can see I will receive the message from this bot right here. In the similar manner, this bot is going to reply to all my messages you can see right over here in this same manner. And we are going to create this amazing bot step by step with the help of Pabbly Chatflow without needing of any coding and programming skills. So let's jump into how you can create your own WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow for your client appointments in real estate business. So in order to create this bot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. For that, on a new tab, browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Okay, so I'm going to browse this website right over here. After browsing the website, you can see Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Over here, after coming to landing page, you have two options, sign in or sign up for free. If you are an existing user, you can directly sign in to your Pabbly Chatflow account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I am an existing user, so I'm going to directly sign in to my Pabbly Chatflow account. You can see the All Pabbly Apps window next, in which you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to select Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. What is Pabbly Chatflow? Pabbly Chatflow is a tool that helps businesses to send WhatsApp messages and manage WhatsApp conversations effortlessly. And if you want to learn how you can set up your own Pabbly Chatflow account, for that click on this Add WhatsApp number. You have two methods, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to learn how you can set up your account with both of these methods, the link of the videos are given in the description below, in which you're going to learn how you can set up your own account step by step. After setting up your own account, you can see multiple features are being provided by Pabbly Chatflow like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, settings, and under settings there are multiple options. If you want to learn about each and every feature that Pabbly Chatflow provides you one by one in brief, for that go to this get help option right over here. You can ask any question over here as well, and you can find all the videos also on the get help right here, in which you can find all the tutorials in which we have told you the features one by one in brief of Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, So in order to create a new bot in our Pabbly Chatflow account, for that simply from the left side go towards this flows section over here. After coming to the flow builder page of our Pabbly Chatflow account, you can see the total number of flows, active flows and inactive flows in our Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you're going to scroll down, you can find each and every flow that you have created in your account right here. Now to create our own flow, we have to click on this add flow button on the top right corner. You can see a new flow has been created. Firstly, I am going to rename the flow, and the name of this flow is going to be WhatsApp chatbot for client appointments in real estate business. This is the name I want to give to this flow right here. As now we've given the name to this flow, it is asking for the flow start. We have three methods: keywords, regex, and choose template. If you enter keywords over here and a customer sends you those keywords as a message on WhatsApp, this flow is going to be triggered. Now if you have sent a WhatsApp message, a broadcast message to all your customers using a template, and you choose that template over here in this flow start, and a customer replies towards the template, automatically this bot is going to be triggered from here. Now we have regex. What is regex? Regex means regular impressions. It is a special pattern or sequence of characters used to find, match or filter specific text, and we are going to use regex over here in this flow. I have a special regex that is going to help my bot to be triggered by any of the message forwarded by our customers on WhatsApp. If any customers ask any inquiries or send any keywords as a message on WhatsApp, automatically this bot from here is going to be triggered with the help of the special character. Over here, the character that I'm going to enter is, this is the special character right over here, and using this regex character, this flow is going to be triggered by any of the message that we receive by our customer on WhatsApp. If you want to use this regex for your own flow, you can find this regex in the description below, okay? So now over here, this flow start has been set up. Now as soon as I'm going to receive any message from the customer on WhatsApp, this flow is going to be triggered. Now what is the first message that this bot should send the customer? I want to first collect the details of my customer, like their name and their email address. For doing that, I'm going to add a question over here in this flow. For that, go to actions, you have ask question, drag it and drop it in this field, okay? Now over here, my first question is going to be for the full name. So I'm going to write the message as, so this is my first message, that is, hello, welcome to Dream Nest Realty. This is the name of my business, your trusted partner in finding the perfect property. To get started, could you please tell me your full name? So now this is the message for the full name right over here. So a customer is going to tell me their full name after this message. I want to keep a proper record of their full name. For that, you can use this amazing feature by Pabbly Connect, that is contact custom field. In contact custom field, create a field in the name of name, and under that you can keep the record of a customer's name. I have created a contact custom field in the name of full name, so I'm going to select that contact custom field from here. Whichever field you're going to select in this option right here, over here the record of the message is going to be created, okay? So now the record is going to be created. What is the format of the reply? Format is text, so I'm going to select as text right here. Number of attempts is going to be 1, and validation message over here is going to be error. So what is validation message? So let's suppose a customer replies to the message over here and that message is not in the selected format, then they will receive a validation message of error, okay? So now this is the setup of my first message that is going to ask my customer's name. I want to connect this question to this flow start. For that, simply over here from this point, I'm going to connect it to the point of this question. You can see an arrow. The flow start is connected to my first question. After the first question, I have second question. For that, I'm going to add another ask question field, and the message is going to be, this is the message over here that says thank you $full name. So now over here I've collected the data of my customer's name and saved it in contact custom field full name. I want to extract the data from this field and add it in this message. That is why simply add the contact custom field name, that is full name. You can see this is the exact name. In front of it, add $sign. So now you can extract the data from this field and add it in this message. So where it says thank you full name, could you share your email address with us? We'll send you your appointment confirmation and property details, okay? So now over here, this is the message which is asking for the email address. Contact custom field is going to be email right over here. Format is going to be email. Number of attempts 1, and the message over here I'm going to send it as error. That is the validation message, okay? So now this is my second question for the email address. I'm going to connect both of these questions. I have collected the data that I wanted from these messages. So now after asking all these details, firstly I want to send them my real estate agency card. In card I have my business name, my business details, okay? After sending the image card, I want to send them a greetings. With that, I want to send them few options with the help of which they can be helped with the inquiry that they have. So now for that, firstly from this point of this question, drag it and drop it in this field. Choose the content type over here as media, as I want to attach a card, my business card right here. Media type I'm going to select as image. If you want to use video, audio, document, you can select that according to your requirement. It is asking for the media URL. Either you can paste the media URL right over here, directly upload it from here. For that, click on this button. This is my business card. I'm going to select it and open in this field right here. Within few seconds, the image is automatically going to be uploaded in this message. You can see this is the card. It has been automatically uploaded. After the image, I want to add the greetings with some options. For that, click on this add content button. Choose the content type as text plus button. For the message over here, I'm going to write it as, this is the message I have right over here. That is, you're all set dollar full name. What would you like to do next? Please choose an option below. Over here, I have to add few options, and for the options what I want is I want to add buttons. For that, I'm going to click on this add button right here. In this message, I'm going to add 3 buttons right here. In a message, you can add maximum number of 3 buttons only. So for the name of my all of the 3 buttons, I'm going to write it as, these are the 3 buttons: book, property visit, set preferences, request a callback. These are the 3 options that this bot is going to provide to my customer. Firstly, for the book property visit, I want to give them a link. In my Calendly account, I have created a link with the help of which the customers or the clients can book an appointment in my agency. Okay, so this is the link right over here. I want to attach this link in the message that I'm going to write over here. Firstly, I'm going to drag the point of this button and drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button, and for the message over here, I'm going to write it as, this is the message that I have, that is awesome, let's schedule your property visit. Over here, if I'm going to scroll down, this is the link of this appointment link. You can see right over here, using which the customer can book an appointment. And over here, once you have appointed, our team will reach via WhatsApp to provide all the details. Okay, you can see right away, this is the entire message for the book property visit. In this message, I want to add a button of contact us, so I'm going to do that right here. Using this button, a customer can get the contact details like the email address and my phone number. Okay, so I'm going to leave this button for a second as it is. We are going to write the message later. So this is the message for the book property visit right here. After that, I have set preferences button. Using this preferences button, I can know the preferences of my customer regarding the preferred location, the property they want to select, and the budget. I want to collect all their details so that I can have the clear view what my customer wants from my real estate business. Okay, so now for the set preferences, I have 3 questions, that is budget, property selected, and the preferred location. I'm going to add all the 3 questions over here for this button right here. These are my 3 questions. First is for the preferred location. You can see right here. Great, let's begin with your basics. Which location are you interested in? Over here, the data is going to be collected for the preferred location and saved in this contact custom field. Similarly, over here, it is for the property type. What are the property type are you looking for? Apartment, villa, commercial space, or the plot? You can see these are the options. It will be saved under this property type custom field right here. And lastly is for the budget. Finally, what is the budget range? This is the budget range. You can see right over here. It will be saved under this contact custom field, that is budget. Okay, so these are the 3 questions you can see right over here that this bot is going to ask for this button, that is set preferences. I've connected all the 3 buttons. So as now I've collected all the 3 data, I want to send a message to this customer after this budget. I'm going to select the content type as text plus button. In this message, I want to tell about all the details that they have selected and want to write a message that we are going to contact you with the details that you have selected, and we're going to discuss about the property further. Okay, so the message over here is going to be, so this is the message that I want, that is thanks dollar full name. Over here in this message, over here the property type, location, and the budget is going to be added. You can see right here, it says we are shortlisting properties that is going to match your preferences. Our team Dream Nest Realty will contact you shortly to discuss the best options for you. Okay, so this is the message that is going to be forwarded towards the customer after collecting all these details. Over here in this message, I want to add a button, and the button over here is back to main menu. Using this button, what is going to happen, the customer can go back to this main menu right here that I've created. So simply I'm going to connect this button to this message, the main menu right here. Okay, So now these are all the messages for this button, that is set preferences. After set preferences, it's a request a call back. In this button, I want to send the contact details of my business like my number and my email address. So now for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply drag this button point and drop it in this field. The content type is going to be text plus button, and for the message over here, I'm going to write it as, this is the message that I have, that is thanks for your interest. In this message, I have added my email address and my number, you can see right here, okay? Team Dream Nest Realty. This is the message that is going to be forwarded with this button, that is request a call back. Now over here, this is the message that I want to send with this button that I've created, that is contact us right here. So simply I'm going to connect this contact us button to this message right over here, okay? So as now I've done that, this is the entire bot that I've created for my real estate agency business for the client's appointments. I want to save this flow that I've created. For that, click on the save button on the top right corner. It says flow updated successfully. That means now this flow is successfully saved, okay? So as now we have successfully created this flow right here, we are going to test it. For that, from my WhatsApp number, I'm going to send a WhatsApp message to this bot. Let's suppose I'm going to send it as, hey, book a visit. As soon as I'm going to do that, within few seconds, this bot has replied, hello, welcome to Dream Nest Realty, your trusted partner in finding perfect property. To get started, could you please tell me your full name? You can see right over here, this is the message forwarded by my AI agent to me, okay? And if I'm going to reply to this bot over here, this bot is automatically going to send me all the messages. I have told you before, this is how this bot is going to work now as well. So as now we have created this bot successfully as a business owner, if you want to check all the messages from your customers and your bot, simply you can operate it from the inbox right over here. And that's how you can build a complete WhatsApp chat bot for your real estate business using Pabbly Chatflow. With this, you can easily automate the process of property visit booking, collect preferences and other details. If you are ready to create your own WhatsApp chatbot, you can head over and visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, in which every month you're going to get 100 free credit points to start building and testing your bot right away. So go and create your own WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.